In this video, you're going to learn how to use AI the right way in your job search without sounding like a robot.
Welcome to the Bob Nevin Careers channel. We're happy to have you here. Get ready to learn something new. Let's do this.
Hey everyone, welcome back. It's 2026 and AI isn't just a buzzword anymore. It's everywhere, including your job search. The truth is, AI can be an incredibly powerful tool, or it can quietly sabotage your chances if you're not too careful. So, I'm Bob, and in today's video, I am going to show you exactly how to use AI as a smart assistant in your job hunt without ending up sounding like every other generic robotic applicant in the pile. So, let's start off with the good stuff. The ways that AI can actually make you more efficient and more effective. First, use it for brainstorming bullet points from your past experience. Feed it in your old job descriptions or rough notes and let it help you expand them into strong accomplishment statements. Then, and this is crucial, rewrite every single one in your own voice. Make them sound like you. Second, have AI analyze the job descriptions. Paste it in the posting and ask it to pull out the must-have skills, keywords, and priorities the hiring manager is looking for. This helps you tailor your resume and cover letter without missing the important signals. But keep it honest, right? All right. Third, let AI draft initial versions of your cover letters or LinkedIn outreach messages. It's great for getting over that blank page paralysis, as some people say, but always edit it heavily to make it yours. Cut the fluff out and inject your personality, and make sure it reflects the real story. Don't lie. So just so you guys are aware, there are videos out there saying, hey, lie to get your job. Don't do that. That's just being really, really, really stupid and can completely ruin your chances of not only getting a job, but actually using a service to get the job, like a recruiting firm or something like that. You will be blackballed if you do that. So just be forewarned. Okay, so use AI to practice interviews. This is number 4. Use AI to practice interview answers. Ask it to role play as a tough hiring manager and have it throw curveball questions to you. Then refine your responses. It's like having a free mock interview partner available 24/7. How about that? Okay, now let's talk about the bad uses, the ones that can actually hurt your chances. Never copy-paste AI-written resumes or professional summaries verbatim. Especially, do not copy other people's resumes on LinkedIn and use it for yourself. That's a surefire way of not only not getting the job for you, but did you know that you can also be arrested? Yeah, it's called what? What is it called? Yes, identity theft. Don't do that. So, again, never copy and paste AI written resumes or professional summaries verbatim or other people's resumes and make them yours. These outputs often sound identical across thousands of applicants. Recruiters and ATS systems are getting better at spotting that, I guess you could call it a stiff, overly polished AI voice. That's stiff. Ugh, it sounds too robotic, right? It makes you blend in instead of standing out, right? We want you to stand out. Another big mistake is letting AI write your entire LinkedIn About section. It usually comes out sounding soulless, corporate, and basically forgettable. Your About section should feel like a conversation with a real person, not a press release, okay? And please, whatever you do, don't use AI to fake experience or skills. Never lie. We talked about that. Inflating your background might get you past the initial screen, but when it comes to the background checks, reference calls, and technical interviews, that will expose it fast. And I know of people who've done that, and not only they were fired, but they were arrested too. All right, so remember that. The damage to your reputation isn't worth the short-term gain. Here is my best pro tip. Treat AI like a junior coworker who's just eager to help, but still needs a lot of guidance and editing. Give it clear, specific instructions, then go through everything with a fine-tooth comb. Add your own specific stories, quantifiable results like we mentioned in other videos, and most importantly, your unique personality. Make that come out. Think about it this way. If your resume reads like it was written by a polite but slightly confused robot who's trying way too hard, you're doing it wrong. Recruiters can feel that lack of authenticity from a mile away. The smartest way to use AI in 2026 is to let it handle the boring and repetitive stuff: formatting, keyword optimization, initial drafting, so you can free up your time and energy for the truly human parts of the job search, building genuine relationships through networking, especially using LinkedIn. That's a great tool. Deeply tailoring your materials to each opportunity and showing real enthusiasm in your applications and interviews. AI is amazing, okay? It's amazing at speed and structure, but still, it cannot replace your personal experiences, your passion, or your unique perspective. That's what actually gets you hired. So a quick question for you. Have you ever tried using AI in your job search yet? What worked really well for you, or what completely flopped, right? Drop your stories, your wins, and horror stories in the comments below. I read every single one and love hearing how you're navigating through all this new landscape. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Hit that little bell icon and select all so you don't miss the next practical 2026 career hack. We're building this toolkit together, one smart human-centered step at a time. So thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Now go make your job search feel less robotic and more like you. All right, we'll see you.
Thanks for watching. Please remember to smash that like button, subscribe and turn notifications on, and share with everyone you know. Also leave a comment down below. Say hi or ask a question. Again, thanks for watching and see you in our next video. Cheers.